Hello everyone, welcome to my English channel. I am wearing my natural hair finally. I removed my twist about I would say 4 days ago. After wearing them for literally over 6 months, I need to film a video telling you guys everything about my hair, like my hair journey, what I decided to go natural, and just everything that I have done to my hair. I was kind of afraid to remove my twist for the longest time because I thought my hair was gonna be completely damaged and completely dry, but to my surprise my hair is feeling really healthy and very bouncy and very soft, and I just love my curly hair right now. I love my short hair because in LA it's so warm lately. It's so hot, and having short hair is just so freeing and it's just so nice. Anyways, today I am going to be showing you my go-to natural everyday makeup look. It's very glowy, it's very dewy, it's very natural, but this makeup is very simple. It usually takes me 10 to 15 minutes. I am going to be using some of my favorite makeup products and skincare products, so let's do it. I like to start prepping my skin with the new Fenty Skin Fat Water, the Pore Refining Toner Serum. I am obsessed with this product. I love how my skin looks and feels when I use it. I love the texture, I love the smell, and I just love how glowy my skin looks afterwards. I like to apply a good amount, and I like to kind of like dab it into my skin. And I always apply my products on my neck and on my chest as well. Next, I like to apply one of my favorite moisturizers ever is the Doralys Britto. I love this moisturizer because it leaves my skin looking and feeling so glowy, and of course because it has SPF 30, which is really important. I'm a surfer, so SPF is a must for me. I'm going to be applying this moisturizer only on one side because I want to show you guys how glowy and beautiful it makes my skin look. So this is the side where I use the moisturizer, and this is the other side. I am breaking out because of my mask, so yeah, thanks Corona. But look at the side and look at the other side. Huge difference. And again, I always apply my products on my neck and on my chest as well. And look how glowy and healthy my skin already looks. This is how I like to prep my skin. So now let's do the makeup. I started using this foundation a couple of months ago. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and the shade is Valencia. I am very happy with this foundation. Sometimes I feel it can be a little bit too matte for my taste. I have normal to dry skin, and sometimes I feel it could look a little bit dry and cakey, but only when my skin is like very dry, and if I don't prep it correctly, it could look that way. But if I prep it and I use my moisturizers and my fat water serum and whatever I use, then I think it's the perfect foundation. I think this foundation is more for people with oily skin, but I just love how natural and radiant my skin looks. I usually like my skin to look very glowy and dewy. So yeah, I am pretty happy with this foundation. I am looking for other options. I used to use the Synchro Skin Foundation. I used to love this foundation, but I run out, and I don't know, I've been kind of lazy. But look at this foundation. Like when you prep your skin, it looks absolutely beautiful and very natural. A little bit goes a long way, and again, I like my skin to look very natural and very glowy. So the key with this foundation is to prep your skin and to apply a good moisturizer if you have dry skin. Next, I am going to be using this concealer. This is my favorite concealer. It's full coverage, and this one is the Hourglass Vanish, the shade Flax. It's a little bit dark for me, but then the lighter version of this one is too light for me. So what I do is I combine this concealer with this other concealer from e.l.f. It's the Hydrating Camo Concealer, and the shade is the Medium Peach. This one is such a good concealer. It really blends and it really gets like in your skin, and it looks really natural. But I do love using them both. They're literally the perfect combo for my skin type and for kind of like the look that I'm going for. But this one, holy. Now I am applying a little bit of this concealer, and as you guys can see, it's very light for my skin, but you will see once you blend it, it looks absolutely beautiful. See, this hack makes me look more awake. Skin looking nice and glowy. Now I am going to be setting my foundation, but I'm only going to do it in certain areas. I don't always set my foundation with powder because, again, I am going for a very natural and a very glowy look. I only set my foundation when I have like a photo shoot that I know that I'm gonna be sweating a lot, or when I'm going to like a special event. Otherwise, I only apply my setting powder under my eyes, kind of like close to my nose, and like on the areas that I know that my makeup tends to like crease. And I'm using the translucent setting powder from Hourglass Bio, and I like to apply it under my eye because my makeup tends to crease right here. A little bit here, here, and here. And then with a bigger brush, I just brush it out. And I also go over a little bit of like the areas that get a little bit oily, but with literally no product. And that's it. My skin still looks nice and glowy and matte and nice on the areas that most need it. Now I am going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil. The color that I use is the 262 Black Brown. I love this pencil because it's super thin, it's very easy to apply, and it looks so natural, and again, it's so easy to use. Look at this, it just glides, and this pencil is very affordable too. And I like my eyebrows to look very natural, so I only pretty much kind of like define the edges of my eyebrows, and whenever I see kind of like a hole, I just fill it in, and that's it. Oh my god, look at the difference between this eyebrow and this eyebrow. Wow, that's crazy. And you see, it took me like 3 minutes. It's so easy to use. Next, I like to apply this gel. It's the 24-hour brow setter gel by Benefit Cosmetics. I love this gel, and look how natural and bushy and fluffy this gel makes my eyebrows look. It makes them look like a lot thicker than they really are. I have eyelash extensions, and that's it. That's all I do to my eyelashes. Next, I am going to be applying one of my favorite blushes. So I love creamy makeup in general because, again, I always go for a glowy and dewy look. And I have been loving this blush by Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Pillow Talk, and it's actually a lip and cheek combo. So you can apply it to your cheeks, you can apply it to your lips, and the shade is Color of Passion. I love this color because it's kind of like a dark peachy color, and it looks so natural and so beautiful and so glowy. I am going to be applying it with this brush, and look how pretty this color is. It kind of melts into your skin, and it looks like it's just your natural color. I like to apply a little bit on like the top of my nose because it makes me look kind of like bronze. I got sent this product by Morphe 2, and it's called Gloss Pop Face and Eye Gloss. And this is actually a highlighter, and if you're looking for a kind of like that wet look, this is the product for you. I have been loving this product so much. I like to apply it at the tip of my nose, right here, and a little bit right here. And look at that. So beautiful. I am going to line my lips, and I'm going to be using this lip liner, which is my favorite. It's by Huda Beauty, and the color is called Flirt, and it's a very natural, again, dark peach, which is perfect for kind of like medium skin tones, for morenitas. I think it's the absolutely perfect color. I am going to be using this lip gloss by L'Oreal. It's the Gold Mirage lip gloss crushed quartz, and the color that I'm going to be using is this 02 pink quartz. It looks very pink, but once you apply it on your lips, it's kind of transparent with a very light pink undertone. It's really pretty, and I have been loving it. This lip gloss smells so good. I just want to eat it. And of course, I am going to be setting this makeup. With the heat going on here in LA, this makeup will last literally like 10 minutes. And this is my go-to setting spray. Is the setting spray by Smashbox Photo Finish. I love the setting spray because it doesn't matter how hot it is, my makeup stays the same for hours and hours and hours. The mist on this one is very fine, and it dries right away. Okay, I'm gonna fluff my makeup up, and I'm gonna show you guys the final look.